Blackheads are tricky, and no matter how well you take care of your skin, sometimes they just show up, usually at the worst possible time. Baking soda is such a common kitchen item that you might not realize you can eliminate blackheads with it. It helps to neutralize any pH imbalance your skin may have, and works as an exfoliant to remove dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. Baking soda is also mildly antibacterial, so it can potentially kill off bacteria that causes acne. Incredible, right? Mixing baking soda and plain water is a popular method for removing blackheads, and the steps are fairly simple to follow. Now, are you ready to remove blackheads with baking soda? Here's how to do it. Prepare the baking soda paste. To make a baking soda paste, you'll first have to mix baking soda and water together. You should mix equal parts baking soda and lukewarm water until they form a paste-like substance. How much you use depends on how many blackheads you have on your face. If you want to make the paste a toner, which further cleanses and shrinks the pores, add a dash of apple cider vinegar to this mixture. Wash your hands. It's important not to get any debris into your pores while you're washing your face. So before using the mixture, first give your hands a good wash. Rinse your hands with running water, apply an antibacterial hand soap. Scrub your hands, including your fingernails, rinse, and then dry. Wash your face. Wash your face using warm water to open up your skin pores and help with the cleansing process. Another alternative is to wet a washcloth with hot water and drape it over your face until it cools. Use the baking soda paste. After washing and drying your face, you can apply the baking soda paste to the affected skin with the blackheads. Rub a thin layer of the paste on all your blackheads and gently massage it to enable the exfoliating process. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Let the paste sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes or until the paste dries completely. How can you tell if the paste has completely dried? If it's already hard to the touch and feels somewhat like dried glue, you're ready for the next step. Rinse the baking soda paste with warm water. Rinse your face with warm water to completely wash off the mixture. Then gently pat your face dry using a clean towel. Easy, isn't it? Just remember, baking soda can also dry out the skin. So make sure you use an oil-free moisturizer after rinsing and drying your face. This baking soda paste doesn't work for everyone and might not be as effective as you expect. So, if this method doesn't work for you, you can try adding other ingredients to the paste instead of water. Here are other ingredients you can use. Honey. The combination of baking soda and honey is naturally antibacterial, so it can be added to wet skin for an exfoliating cleanse. Rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol disinfects the skin and may increase the overall effectiveness of the treatment. Use a cotton ball soaked in rubbing alcohol on your skin before applying baking soda and water. Salt. Adding baking soda and salt to water can help dry out oily skin. If you want, you can also try adding a bit of honey to the mixture. Baking soda is indeed a powerful exfoliant that can help with the treatment of blackheads when applied properly. Have you ever tried this home remedy for blackheads? Do you use baking soda in your skincare routine? Tell us in the comments. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.